Building a helicopter is not an easy task, but also flying the helicopter you built without piloting experience is also another story. This man from Kenya built this helicopter from scratch. He actually managed to get few feet off the ground, but few seconds later it crashed to the ground. Luckily, he didn't get injured and walked away. How lucky this man is. This guy from Pakistan built a helicopter from scratch. As you can see, the helicopter gets off the ground with another guy holding the entire helicopter down to the ground to not tip over. This helicopter looks unstable, so if they release it, it will actually crash. This helicopter looks so funny. This guy built a helicopter with an electric ceiling fan and bunch of iron and steel as a fuselage. But don't worry, it won't fly because the helicopter didn't follow the rules of aerodynamics. Look at the rotor blades, they are not an aerofoil shape at all, and the diameter of rotors are very low. In addition to that, this helicopter didn't have a tail rotor, so it is just a sculpture.